how to duplicate a page in WordPress Elementor. So what I've done here is I've logged into my Elementor account, and then I'm going to click on edit with Elementor over my website that I want to duplicate a page for. Now this will load up the Elementor website editor, and here from the top I'll go to pages. And then what we have to do is we have to select a page that we want to duplicate. So for example, let's say I want to duplicate this contact us page. I'll click on the three dots and then I'll get this option here, duplicate. Once we click on it, it's going to generate a new page with a copy after the original name. So I'm going to do contact us 2 here. And if we press anywhere, it's going to ask us if we want to save these changes. I'll save them. And now it's going to appear as a draft here. But if we want to actually publish this second page that we've duplicated, we'll go to the page itself and we'll add some content here. And if we click on publish, this will make the page no longer appear as a draft, but it will instead be published. That's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.